5 years after the COVID-19 pandemic, China is grappling with a new health crisis. The country is currently experiencing a surge in human metapneumovirus cases. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. Social media and news reports suggest that hospitals are overwhelmed, with some claiming the spread of multiple viruses including HMPV, influenza A, mycoplasma pneumoniae and even COVID-19. Though there are circulating claims of a state emergency being declared in China, no official confirmation has been made. The situation is raising fears of another widespread health crisis. But before we discuss all this, let us first try to understand what is HMPV and why is it making headlines in China. HMPV is a respiratory virus that causes both upper and lower respiratory infections. It can affect individuals of all age groups, but those most at risk include young children, the elderly, and people with weakened immune systems. First identified in 2001, HMPV has recently been making headlines due to its rapid spread in China. The virus is raising concerns due to its flu-like symptoms and potential for severe respiratory issues. The symptoms of HMPV are similar to those of the flu and other common respiratory infections. Common symptoms include cold, fever, nasal congestion, and shortness of breath. In severe cases, HMPV can lead to complications such as bronchitis or pneumonia. The incubation period typically ranges between 3 to 6 days, with symptoms lasting from a few days to several weeks depending on the severity of the infection. HMPV spreads in ways similar to other respiratory viruses. The transmission occurs through coughing and sneezing. Respiratory droplets from infected individuals are released into the air. Close personal contact, shaking hands or touching someone who has the virus can lead to transmission. Contaminated surfaces, touching surfaces that an infected person has touched and then touching the mouth, nose or eyes can spread the virus. Preventive measures for HMPV are similar to those for other respiratory infections. Here are few important steps to help reduce the spread of the virus. Wash your hands regularly, avoid touching the face, maintain distance from sick individuals and clean frequently touched surfaces. Most importantly, is there a treatment or a vaccine for HMPV? Currently, there is no specific antiviral treatment or vaccine available for HMPV. The treatment for those infected is primarily supportive, aimed at relieving symptoms and preventing complications. If necessary, patients may receive supplemental oxygen or medications to manage symptoms. HMPV and COVID-19 share many similarities, such as causing respiratory issues like cough, fever and congestion. Both viruses spread through respiratory droplets and can lead to serious complications in vulnerable individuals. However, there are some key differences. First is spread. COVID-19 can spread year-round due to the emergence of new variants, while HMPV typically peaks during the winter and spring months. Next is severity. Both viruses can cause severe illness, though COVID-19 has been associated with higher mortality rates and more widespread complications. Reports indicate that HMPV cases have tripled in certain regions of China following the lifting of COVID-19 restrictions. While the virus is currently spreading primarily in China, we have witnessed how quickly COVID-19 expanded globally. So viewers, what do you think? Are we on the brink of another crisis? Feel free to share your views with us in the comment section below and most importantly, stay safe.